Once again, happy birthday to Obibia. Yeah, watch it now. We on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV Dig Boss on say live and so on me on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Maybe I could be live or search for Adom TV. Adom TV. Your comment or stream na say shame will be any be enhwe na yeni enkomo. Very good morning call and from Kobe Stone. Yeah, what Medina of Kobe Stone fried rice. What call the menu? Say we are she money edge mapaya we bo the Ghana nation of fried rice is super. Then also to Brodiga of Brodiga Barbering Shop or Medina. A very good morning and Kofma. Meba no pay Brodiga meba no pay. Why? Most of the edge mapa so haircut and so dear. Odemufua. Good morning once again to Brodiga. Ofori-Atta say Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa, a member of Parliament, Madishia War Oda in the Eastern region, a former Deputy Minister of Health, and Honorable David Von D. And so a member of Parliament, Madishia War Chifu at Mokwa constituency in the Central region. When is happening is AC. Anna.
Von D. Hey. I think he have a demonstration.
Hey.
Me pacho na on design.
What was we be at the fan?
On
design. Omo ti min ka so omo Von D appointment ni bi.
Ala wo ye jo ma na.
Takra na ka de die de won bi.
Yeah, heard the nyame be ye.
Odun ti do mo ti min release list no.
Last one
no. So last batch 4-5 bi no. Odun ti. Kom ko hu se di ni me na adom ko.
Deputy Interior Minister.
Oh, bear 4-5 coming in.
Hey.
Deputy Health and my.
Deputy Health and so my.
Deputy Interior and my. Deputy one be with my.
Communication
my.
And so my.
Communication there be one so many deputy. Sam George is a whole ministry. Sam George no or a ministry building. 2 command deputy are there. Only bibia.
A bit 60 be emroso dey.
Every woman can bro dey emroso.
Okay.
But the how
one papa the benya deputy.
Oh say na min sure woni a. Anya bra ehwe yen. Chema Hakima dey sisi ade oye Council of State member.
Okay. For Central Region.
Chairman.
Aye. Na min chia Isaac Yorson.
And then on my appointment I don't know.
Isaac Yorson. And Namicha Wani and let me not also forget our regional chairman, Professor Esiedu, and the regional executives Nina Michelle Minna Yamenshra, Nafemisha Mia Mrs. Von D. Gloria.
Happy birthday.
I'm a man of happy Valentine. I truly love you and you know it. So happy birthday to my very dearest and the most beautiful woman on earth, my wife, and all my children, Klenam, Enam, Sesinam, and Sedinam. I mean, I love you guys all, Daddy really loves you. And happy Valentine to the entire family. And the entire NDC fraternity. Happy Valentine Day to all of you. And may God bless all of us and keep all of us well. Thank you very much.
And to be a yakoso. Means be me said I romantic sabe jaba. Tell the me sorry na ya parcel.
Wow, when you're romantic sir.
E dey gu empathy fee. Me na me ships be wu. I can't talk kwa. Upo umpo.
Shit.
Ya sha se. Entino Mrs. Henrietta. Okay. Happy Valentine. Na ndokwa we die. So my sister Japo. We were romantic pa. Wa we every time.
Oh yeah, what did.
Oh, a guy too.
What did?
I mean, who need to call
Hildegard, happy Valentine Day.
And this who
we in life na nya.
Oh, who you dey put neja or hair line dey wa. Na obuafa. And this fool.
Masa o me yan show no. O me yan show no.
Na bra boni sunya o when this menka. Ya tadi. Yes, o papa power ya no here say you.
Na say for ndidi am me for ndidi da na. Ndidi eja wa.
David Bondi.
Yeah, more.
Pentecost ni ma papa.
Really is that I mean no have a PP press conference in response to president directive said I'm on for a 4 more before December 7th. And I think maybe we need a national dialogue to find a lasting solution to this. Because another Mikasa said, either say as a country we come to consensus say, you need declare or be as president-elector, we should swear in the person on that same day. And I say, we can tell ourselves, say, you declare any partner until 7 January. The government no leave the country to be on autopilot. So maybe a days back and forth because it's in the end, it's a 4 year. What happened when the Kufuor took over? What happened when we took over? In terms of quite Obia now you so best sacrifice it, the payback. That means they are ending all these things. So maybe as a country, do you think say we will need to sit down, now come to an agreement on how to deal with this issue?
Answer the best comedy me incha ahefo and adofo and no mo hweyen titru ne adehye wa achim da madaromenti beti hase na asema dapono so edi hu nkomo no zi bibi kakra o se ebia de Akufo-Addo ye so o chimi kire me de Akufo-Addo ye ya kebebo am discussion
make reference to near NDC focus say near Akufo-Addo
ye
so pam go for
why
Jomama or Mojuma
why ya ayem futu ni atu egu amanfo
Mon TV
Mon TV yamfa bobia yampa mobia yenim da ye fa Adom level yenim da ye fa Shraj boss yenim da ye fa NCC boss. They are all in place apart from Dom level and Nema Fufubi. Eba ye no also
the civil servant no more ye form adwuma senior na ye pam other enkrofo ya.
Me say enkrofo kan omo kan no maka national service. And me check with the former minister. My former national service boss who is the as-well minister for sports.
Yeah.
Or say or buy ye no. There were petitions to Public Services Commission. Ewo encrophobia ya fa wo a wo susu senya kwampa so no fa ho petitions to a statutory body Public Services Commission etinu odo di podi na nya de ehia no but hwe na agitations ba more did you take it so mo take ye no say and na omo yield to Public Services Commission for petition no a omo de ba no omo ntina che na ye nsan ye foforo recruitment for. That's what happened. There was nothing like say Jafa way ye ba be to mo ba mu de yomadi. I me pe obi a be ka say me be yibedi. Esa say ni nti.
But you see that general letter na ye from chief of staff no. Ye nya be under president na
to be. I know they dangerous no. Na me ya say ye Julius Debra. We are father so. Ade we a dangerous trap party asset yaman. Because ene efie biara a obi ewo mu a wonya adwuma abrantie mabunu bi a wako school ne mame ahwe ne papa ahwe no na wakire kom ayem paye akoda dumfa akoda atwea abom paye manyankopon aye aboa no na wonya adwuma no na ene wo se ye ma na adwuma ansa ye to abada se ye to abawie ye no nya na point latenti onkonko trafie ene Ghana division na ababeda ho no aye kakra tokro bia babedem eka bia babeda wo mo a yenim so me NDC a ye pamu we mu ne afa wo mo ye pamu we mu nipa we mu me Ghana fo ye pamu wo mo na NDC fo afa mo nkrofo sa nipa ye fa wo mo obi enu no ma yenim so ye MPP na ye NDC ni me I can tell you for a fact obi enu no ma yenim so ye NDC na MPP ye fa wo so me Ghana fo. And then let away fly. The latest cry Ghana Health Service. Latest Ghana Health Service. Because me work ministry inti, I know what went on. Internet and nipa do ye fa omi na ebisa so oh say then I'm sure there be this is for the monk because money the procedure no eye finchem ya clearance and now so ye now so ye nyanom ndisi crowd raise on the floor say fragadam ye timi fa nipa bia ye de dada wo mu election hwan ne ade and you go through process no uko Ghana Health Service ha ye wo say kwa fa so fa nipa Ghana Health Service Ministry of Health for portal ye bie portal no ukom na se ukom na ye a udin bekem u submit documents na ye udin bekem uko na se ye na you are not qualified to be there ebe bounce back it ubekom wa obe fill documents ya di gina na wa go through process no as akọ ya post to a particular region ebu on obe call that region be ya close it no region wo no na wa apply open charge so a na wa apply akọ na ya fa wo ho di na you go through that process na ya post nkofo yi obi wo no ma ya post to no enyema bi nti wantimi anko the post in term because bo on ma afi na okopedan afi na okọ settle afi na okọ tototo nyema bi aswako it is okoye ampeniam pa say we go through all this process na one contempt in appointment letter near after 7th December edi enti na also pamusa any pan edi enti na also pamusa any pan sankofo nyinara enne wodi agreho aba beto omo so ewo fie omawufo omabusuafo wo mo yire mi say enne eyeda enka me fofie da bi anka bedi it's say last year by this time any bomb di as deputy minister for health okay.
Yeah.
There 14th February.
Yeah.
One of the best Valentine gift and now Dan Kwakufado Edemame. One of the worst Valentine gifter NDC for their magana mebunu and it's all letters here fly around you. Abranti bi a wenye adwuma a ondi Valentine da. A fear when so wenye adwuma ntie ne Valentine obeto bibia man nka nchima na yire bia na so obi ni ade no ene ya man letter o de agreho na ekofi. West gifts NDC Ediama Ghana mebunu for.
Okay.
Na reset no am promise Ghana for any.
Okay, Minister Mwo letter be a wahanum which was signed by Honorable Kwaku Agyeman-Mensah. That time I read out there to TV so they be actually force to meet me follow him. Mediama Bumisa Abante na onfa entusna phone to me and follow him. So the letter was dated 10 February 2017. All heads of agencies, suspension of recruitment of health professionals. I refer to our earlier letter with reference number HRHD/DIR/01/017/07 dated 31st January 2017. I wish to request that you suspend all recruitment activities for the 8,634 nurses and other head staff until further notice. The suspension is not a cancellation, but to allow the Ministry of Health to finalize all issues related to the financial clearance. Kindly take steps to inform all your officers accordingly. You'll be duly informed as soon as the final clearance is granted. Signed, Honorable Kwaku Agyeman-Mensah, Minister of Health. Copy, Chief Director, Minister of Health. The Director, HRHD, Ministry of Health.
ATDC sabre no.
Okay.
Ya ma financial clearance and sayafa nipa ewa dwumem. At that time na financial clearance aba. But number no what to di no 8,000 no
634.
A bro financial clearance ade e dia ma no. Na a bro financial clearance e dia ma no. Ti minister ne ba ye no. A financial clearance do se ni ama. Eto de bi etima financial clearance kwa na ebi aka. Ye ba ye financial clearance ya ma bia no ebi ka cause eto de bi ani ama especially in the health sector. Yetimi ma ebi ase ye fa nipa be 5,000. But na ebi nipa be 4,500 and I apply. 5,000 na ye estimate ye no. Ye estimate o mo wie school. Ebu on ma we wie school no. Na we je adwuma wo ba bi. Ebu on ma no we tu kwan. Nti ye de nim obsaje man na no mo meka nkire. To we bie portal for this number of personnel. But on be wie no na ebi aka. Nti time be so no ye timely financial clearance timely. Ebe do bribe no na I expire.
Okay.
It is going to be unfailing within that period now I expire. This was exactly what happened in this case. It means that they say, oh, you suspend the interim letter was actually say, kai who say when you cancellation. So can you?
Yeah.
cancellation ni chese ye twam o se mon suspend mon twentwen so na yenyen hyehyeye a obi e be fa ne bia ne betime tua ne ka. I challenge any health personnel na nurse or ka say no ka we hu no ka cohort yi hu a after this letter no o tena fie yamfa na adwuma. I challenge ye ba ba mu no ne nim nipa dodo a NDC fo amfa o madwuma nti o mte fie nurses dodo a NDC fo amfa o ma ba mu amfa o madwuma nti no mte fie. Iti backlog na wo ho, we all know this is a no na yi and yabomadi afa wo mo. So the latest year 2020 that was around 15,000 see a be portal amom 2024 it is for about 3-4 years and is one for the pa it is na be gu yeso the every year be for the pa na ye fa nipa go so mo form na be do say it is the be mo mpo no nipa dodo a na wo so ye form 2020 no na e bi aka it is be car omo a omo ye 2020 no e bi benya access to it.
Okay.
So that's it. It is this particular letter a flow to around the namni adina no and she say you cancel ubi appointment. Nemo ye ma obo twentwen so e man hyehyɛ a wo se ye ansa ye fa wadwuma a wo sika asɛm no waketu asɛm no etimi ago through no etimi aye. Sa letter current letter abaye fi GHS boss no no o say omo a mo nko payroll so no money ade nyina no mo cancel. Enso obi ya fa no clearance wo ho. Obi ni ho no mo a ye se ya fa no system no man na or see only clearance for the payment of the salaries. At the end of the day, back on my ni pay, yen see the air politics, believe what it air politics. If you're not so, that's a pamuso cote if you are cote fee, on you be untrained. If you're not so, that's a ba bear mua, waba bear moon, you be untrained. Yet the other, yeah, dear, no. Yet I see, say, a political appointees, a politics near ye. Then the year reduce politics now to an extent to say. Abaye dwuma bia mu no enche empani mani mu ade enche obi asebe ote ya ne so a wo hwe so kura no ye beka sa ban sese wo so no sesa no which is what is happening. Let me say this is what is happening. Eti no o man no na ye che mu saa kwaye dan o man no ye che mu saa kwaye dan na we no ebia na obi enye party ni bi afie se omu yi ankrofo yi na so omu kofo mu hye adwuma mu a sabe ye ba mu a sa di pa no kai hunu se mfie na pe da wanya adwuma
ebilisi.
Oh minua, I'm telling you
ntikesa wa kan nyina ne dia odi atwa to yi na je se mfaso.
I am telling you say ade we omutra ma ne koso dia na koya kama da ho e na me che se basa na Ghana no ya be chem mienu efie na bia ye to aba bia nipa bi be kofie na nipa bia because safo ya fa wo mu thousands of youth mo ba ebo so mo be create adwuma Mose mo ba be ye adwuma no mo be ma na buruso ama ma ba 24 hours 331 say 313 say 133 say mo kan ya na mebu no etudi machi mo nyanye no de ya ye no mo se mo kote afie adan mo nyanye de mo kan ye 24 hours 1113 say
fa ne na bia hu say aban sesa obeye adwuma that number of period and power
me say mami nka se me kiro yan mrase bejafo mrante kakra e wo mu mi kwa de manyini mnante kakra wo mu a ye wo mrase bedwam and this for that chere ye nyansa papa wo ma chere ye nyansa na ye mpanifo no ye di ka chere wo se ye ntisa but ye sua se ye be yesa kwa ya hwe ya ye mabunu no wo di achi a wo mu wo ye mu ahwehwemu ne ne daso no dachi ye from komu me di achi bio etino ne enizifo ye nyinara yesua dachi ye mpanifo do mu nya botre ye de ntisa no me de keke ka ho no moka yentie moka yentie mu obibi ka o man ye nyina ye dia yentu enizifo rofo do mu nya mebunu do mu nya adwuma enehwe me de bia meka ade e ma me yi menim ba politics mu pa ni ade de say NDC ba mu and that means yi be free health insurance. I was so desperate enough to work be ye adwuma brantia ma ye adwuma me background bebre ma ye media ma ye me kasa ma health insurance. I was so passionate be pa adwuma no me am to me car me Mercedes Benz if you call enzima e campaign ma NHIs sabe na afeda na aba foforo ye yi medin e kofa abetokwa me o retiree bia okọ retirement ebe se be position sabre no o be kai yabo atejan e ka wo TV so o ka radio so because it became a topical issue e ka se kwesi akwa mayi na die yi na mo piano into politics ado no apeniampa esemenibre esemebufu ka se oh ene na me so se say that ye dia ene ne be yedima ya adwuma no ene na ma bedu sa pempeso yi enti omo mu ye omadi nyina no mo de ya obi na ehye wo mu se safo no wo fo so ya ordinary citizen ohia se obey politics ohia se obey politics as wanya emwa bi ni ade a ene wo the politics da ba be pam no ti sa di pa no why you the politician prekope why the politician prekope na muni mo to abama mo omo ya form adwuma ye brebu na ye yamfa nipa wadwum se we ye ndisi ni MPP ni o dabi obiara ye nim se obeti bia fa na adwuma na obi a wo fa na nurse adwuma mu we de so ye ndisi ade no oti portal echi na wo bogum wonim se ade ba kwa ye mebu no di bufu ye ne se bibia se digitalization ko computer so okay MPP Esansa yempesi ebede to say yafa yenko anko nti the portals were many adwuma bia be fa bia the supporter nti obi otimi wura mu bia no say on this video say people obi anim the hian so botimi wura mu na yafa iti mo be pamo saafo yi na be sefie e bia me de apart from say enkwala no mabunu no ebe ha wo no kaye be de it will near to my political benefits because the bufu ebe bus system nim. Now, man, for their chairman in 4 years' time, but can we continue like that?
That's one day.
When we are mentioned, when we are penny, any Ghana for Manya Bra, more shame, and this is for any MPP for Ghana for I say, come on, ye dear, and then I shall see. Okay, the we are MPP for a brand nana danko Akufo-Addo take over 2016. Omoko pamu a brand to be a no yes security coordinator as a den wokumase. Omo the we omo train he from a permanent piano obia or what yere one ma no omo de ne tree from and nam so me do omoko court to kra wo mutumi a boom raso trying to free court to dem one judge ni di America fan to kuamu ni ade ho ne e fra bedru bebia ye dru yo na say we dey to fo bo we dey enye brebia ni ayemo letter kekania issue say more after December 7 election no yes is some agum ni epe bebia ma mo de motia akosha no nya sa ne fa ne pa adwumam aho momi en kano kranchira ye ho Ghana ha kakra aban a wo wabetena ho 8 years ni a no wa ben when hunu se hu hia se wo be fa Ghana fo ye adwumam first 4 years abetwam another 4 years aba when hunu se enkrofo we hu hia se ye fo ma adwumam watena se a Ghana fo akoto aba eyi mu afra bam enam katasehye proye dwerim kankan ya mudi enti se de mo aye Ghana na Ghana sayi ni eyi mu se monko fie ya botwini ni ya me etwa hwene ozi aka masa baako na ne na ogina hani ni ya ebo na afe na mo kosesa mo party fo emabunu a esun adwuma mo ama won nu wo mo age ayahaha woni a aye MPP fu abuwa mo aba party aba ban mo a 8 years mo mfi wo mo afena His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, where we need election wo be fa Ghana mo asaya tete no apansam no ni aba ba ye ne yie ni a reset economy no na mo akosesa mo party mebudu nyina begubu cho bebre kura ni mbebia wona eko eni ane se ya fa wadwumam na ye no ne sen na men Ghana ye ko ne sen ni e de anya atwosam ni hwe ye MPP lose election 2016. Look,
the NDs and
MPP lose election 2024 menua from December 7 eba social contractors aye twetwa won ka social financial burden ye de ato abanya eba iso a abisa ho say what's so significant So, you know, important about all those things. I'm telling you.
Okay.
So, we call a transition team now. Almost every single day, now, Felix Ofosu-Kwakye, Honorable Minister in charge of communication at the presidency. Now,
government communication.
Government communication. Now, our issue statement. So there are some financial burdens that you are putting on the government that is taking over power.
The people, what the moment just said.
And they're important.
The people, was it a financial burden? Say, yeah, new contract, and our contract what my man for a year, you know, any HU moka.
Menuya, contract ni bi waha.
Okay.
Ya ye.
Okay.
We'll be a chasing certificate. Be 6, 7, 8 months, 1 year.
Yeah.
Yen tria.
Okay.
Once a year lose election, you will say your party ban a paper. No must send scanner command.
But would it not be in
hold on?
And yet to the advantage of a bind because
Obi
as a contractor, not Jomam and
Obi Biara, why your contract, Amagana genuinely no. I see a Trianica.
Yeah.
But you see, a dear Mampa Americana wood to year. What can you mean? Well, Lucy election. Jaina Banya Wobby. We are having crater, we say. A canna would chiakran. I then about 2 years ago, now the penny win chiaka. I then I would chance to say, you were frabe.
That's why.
What I mentioned.
And a Saturday Sam come away.
What I mentioned.
And a Saturday Sam come away say. So are we saying, say, ye two Aberiana Electoral Commission declare will be president elector? The current government, no, ma onyeshia.
You see, the point I'm making is that it is important that government no was no yanko, you know. As a so boy, man, but you see, you must be reasonable with the things that you do, not to unduly put financial burden on the person that is taking over. It is for NDC, it is for MPP, it must be like that. Menuya, look, say NDC, it's condemnable. Their MPP, and baby. Yeah, look, MPP winning election 2016, no. And your man Crofoko mo krom ha na agro. John Jinapo ni fie ni mane ni yire go ne bowra ho. And ye young Crofaya kayaka de okrom ha no. Anya de keto, I'm not saying say ya de papa. What am I saying no?
Yeah.
But they say let us not behave as if in seed. No. For me, you know, these people are your appointment here are revoking, you know. If they feel they are so legitimate and so deserving of the appointment, they can make their case. Of course. Yeah, Shankratemu. One more, as I say, a more Musa man who will do that. But you see, the point I'm making is that
Vondi,
don't unduly pack the public sector just because you are living power.
But
no one can say, I will MPP for
no. The processor. Oh, fa obi wa bayadwumemu the process to go through.
Yes.
Yenim say enye 1 day of senior even private sector kra no enye oba ya baye interview we ani afa. You take a process. Abai enye sika. Ebi one mo obeko interview kra we be a 1 year time sa kwa na ya fro say appointment prior ready. Now, are we saying say per argument I'll make it. Now, say the next government eba right after be at 2028 say 2032. Can the government also use this same excuse? And from Pamon Crofua, we be more Mojumana.
Menuya, dear Major, I want to say, we can't continue to make the mistakes that we're making.
Okay.
I agree with you.
Okay.
But you see, there are certain things that are not mistakes.
Okay.
They are deliberate.
Ebi edian.
Ebi ni se wufra bam. Ya to ade make ya to aba ma. 8 years what na bam. One for obi adwumam.
De be nyano kre.
Mebo. One more ya for o adwuma sesi ahun asem ne ya kan.
One day.
Me say, one more ya for o sesi ahun asem ya revoke o appointment ya kan.
Say o say 8 years am for obi adwumam.
No, that is not the point. That is not the point. The impulse of what I said no is in relation to one more ya revoke o appointment in ahun asem. Well, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Me igbeni so nim saadi.
We dey igbeni. We dey igbeni.
Me igbeni me twi ni. Una ya santa.
Oh no, ti on the compare and the coach vote the few on me ade. Edu ani igbeni. Edu eza me yefanti.
Memra no mfante fum cha ho nyala. Strategy they are making an sell. One more wafa within the space of time I will lose election.
Okay.
Up to time a year handy over.
Yeah.
You had 8 years. And can bet me for my jumem.
One say.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. And the point is that from the time I will lose election, anytime I will hand over no. And Crawford would do my good juma musesiano. Aye juma bayan, womu bayan tia wanya na bayan wobe. One here the legitimacy of the employment and to approve it. Necessary we do womu akin. Why will you do that? Why would you pack all those people? Well, I am not the employment minister.
Okay.
I don't know whether or not it is important to employ more people into the public sector.
I'm not job list. I can tell you.
Fact is that
from NDC
fact
MPs
is
and
that
NDC constituencies, I'm not list.
Fact is that I have no idea what the employment minister will be doing. But the point I'm making to you is that it is not proper. Say we are NDC, say we are MPP. Ya to Obama or no lose election. What you should be doing is superintend over what is there. What is here? Na economy no there. Share bia wo ye handing over note near there. You are making sure that there is peace and you know there are no anarchy here and there. Now we share near there. But major decisions, don't take them. Don't. Because who yes sir. Bia na ban na wo ba no. Won him the vision baby or person or defa. One we are not creating undue pressure. Ama ban na or ba no. The woman yafa woman juma yeka ho asemi. Ade na ye wo speciality juma ben wo ye so important within these few days ah. And in chomu ntimi nyan na ban a wo be mbehwe no onye. Why would you do it if there is no ill motive? If the intention is not to pack your people. And I'm saying that both NDC and MPP, that is not a good practice.
But near course with
that's not a good practice.
But near course with you. You fan to it, me and pen for your card so miss you be the free monochrome. No. And this so you'll be
hey!
Obi I
will need a chat. More than 5K. Keep faith with us.
So it means that one day Americano, you're ready. Both at the top, Obi are ready. A 2 year babru now near Juma under NDC. Fatu team say MPP Bob Pamo. Unya Juma under MPP, Fatu team say NDC Bob Pamo. Way any sa in Pennyfua, me no me no kosa line. Etwa bad the moment.
I'll criticize you and Dodo, dear now ye. Oh, criticize you and Dodo. I'm on your son for now. You have been sarcastic. And you have got to I'm on your phone. I got to a Banuel Lusabian was our party for the Guinea. Was that any Apamu? I want to make a former say at Waba.
And one I'm making.
Your former
hey, I don't answer.
Messi Pennyfua, you knew me kosa lie, and we are kete so.
See, I
won't come from.
But see, they have the opportunity to stop what is going on.
So, stop here. No question. Make us say we need a national dialogue.
When you have national dialogue, dialogue, no committee, no. Adoso, take a decision. Your Ghana for you buy and see a create a human. Human no be creative. Number be create unemployment. You have the opportunity. NDC. Mo wa kwenya se mo be sisadi ya no. Mo na mo wa ba mu. Mo ntoto niema. Mo se mebru ni bo. Omo mbu wo mu nya wo mo. Na mo san create bi ma foforo na eba no. I know what I'm talking about. Mo to aso yes anu a mo say o man no because rewe hoyi mo ja empaditi ho da.
Ya komulaba.
Mutiana wo ma woni se wo mba mpa mo mpa mo bia.
We emfa Emra Badwam so on Adom TV. Ye discussion. But happy birthday confirma Nana Ejewa Oseya wo Manchester UK. Ya me won shira na onyo kese ko iso be ye kese pa. Happy birthday. Enko emfa Emma. Nana Ejewa say of Manchester UK. And also happy birthday and confirma nyakasem nyaba Valentina Nana Ejewa aka Efia Schwarzenegger. Happy birthday. Echo F1. Make us a Franco Trade Enterprise. so beto phone abeto mo nchen omko an to phone papa ye free baby a manufacture phone no enchen direct and to say ye Nokia Samsung iPhones open smart TV ranging from 32 to 100 inches Franco air condition from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower or CCTV camera so hanum any chimukra na ebe choose see do ba say de obi eto CCTV camera I can for a few on say ke bi no one come be chire mu saa obi no be ko bi akra nyim be wo se jakpa de di na jakpa kwa na ne bi
Olidi read no
it is
official
to CCTV
jakpa is a national security
nya advert nya kuye ni bia na wo
ya ka ho bi CCTV
me patch Franco for all that
host
CCTV
it's bad Franco for number 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and at 0555 939 311 0555 939 311 Franco was a still phone papa efie and one so can Ofori-Atta special prosecutor also you wanted and I can Ofori-Atta so a journey free of me and we journey all quite
Kenny Nyane
one nigga first
but say BBS 70
Kenny Nyane
also a journey
Kenny Nyane Ken chiro letter de ma former chief of staff
okay
answer na ofia ba mu kura say okohwe ne ho yade current chief of staff bayi on hye na se o
yeah
on hye Yira Julius de Brase
yeah
and so the nyansa mu no we hu say he's one of the longest serving finance ministers inti aban fufuru abai e bia kwan bi so ubehia no ne nchiremu bi to sa chiro letter e de ma chief of staff say
oh sir
ai
aside from us operating
what Osatro ma
Julius Debra
yes
do you have a copy of that letter
yes and no my minority leader confirmed it so ni Julius Akasa Julius was honest enough to say I can am a letter
so what took quite
you know edition be the OSP Makasa one ye create OSP say sebe se aban bi eti akonya so na ne ho nkrofo eye dwurum ne kata hye bua OSP no ya create se wo authority wo independence se ubetimi aye nhwehwemu
okay
that was to cure the limitations of attorney general what I say
yeah.
aha iti no se ye create ye no na bra ye wa ban mu ti akonya so na ye raken Ofori-Atta wa ha ya can Ofori-Atta o try kopum say ye to abawie me oba me constituency be campaign e ma wachim da ti die na ehun so Ghana iti sabre no na se sansami ya wa body nyina se oppress obeboa won hwehwemu no eye niema na ewo ho ye na anim ebie ni won ma ye foforo ensem a OSP dia to dwa nyina ye ensem dada sabre no na uhia se papa no ba ma hwehwemu a ade na sabre no one to sanfre no na wafiri aban so na ohwe ne yade na ne lawyers wa ha wonim say ye mamre mu no wo ho kwan say wo bo ho ban say obi nhye da amfa incriminate you
yeah
ye wo ye constitution mu say intina so police chi wo timika say you have the right to remain silent kasa obekampo ya wo dia na na se Yira ken Ofori-Atta wa ha na say oko OSP ho a ono ansore nkodi the lawyers the beko and some of baby sano the lawyers e de be che no kwa mfa so yiya no o da say it is say no ni ha na the lawyer for no wo ho audio mu dis awoso a edien ene ehwehwenim na o de betena radio so eye press conference eye dede so body wanted court ben na akoye enya 2 minutes of body wanted inyina so ben na o de body wanted abra bibia kire se ono wonsa wosodie
but also hwe krata can Ofori-Atta lawyers they bread na krata radwe mpone nchite edapoti ya can Ofori-Atta de ba Ghana
sebe ono oyare onim da ne ho beto no waba azie wo yare no onim da wo ho beto oh ebia mebo wa minu maduro be na otwa ho minu de ebia na me ho atobe enu mpo eye wa kuku kekempo no obeche be na otwa ho na otwa minu na ebia na nkoi obi enim yade yade na kopia ma no ne de obi anso nim se papa na ne ho mfa no papa 87 or Kwahifa. And then Abba said, we will arrest his dead body, says NDC Deputy General Secretary. It is always, she said, can Ofori-Atta Akono, Uncle, na Uwumpa, Obeche dead body. Oh, in your NDC for. Oh, I am not happy, say, you will never be a ama NDC name Yakono.
MPP.
You will never be a nine man this in Yakono. It's more than same say, and Emma NDC in Yakono. Nene. Esa nyema bi atwam enne no Ghana for area ye finti mmabunu ni ade a eba no omuru afi huriye boja mpadi tiri ho omuru afi nti mmabunu no akodi enwan man disifo achi na nka be take advantage of it na ma clean mu slate no men na mo ya saade wi na mo deputy general secretary to me the sanse mi betudwa se owu kura e be chi ne mu no nyaminti Ofori-Atta onwu obesan ba na waba be yi in 7 nano ado ye finance minister de wo mu bia no ba be yi ano e na make say ne lawyer for ho ensem bia da wo pese oyi ado bia no obeti yi ano e denti e na wo ba be gu na nima se wo ba the wanted abena no wo Ghana wo so wo Ghana OSP na wo Ghana bi na de hame and say OSP press conference no o ka say raid the course wo Iraq Ofori-Atta fee ho no from the intelligence it was staged. And then a PSA was not staged. Why should the OSP, I didn't know OSP, no, a man who need to be questioned intelligence? Also from the intelligence, OSP intelligence is so dear, KFA Niagro, because it's a main investigative body. It is a OSP intelligence and Timianga that said that raid, was a raid from national security. Ayera Jakpa and Ra. Majority leader Ajia to say it's national security operative. Nipa no ojina quarter no and say ya clearing agent, chief clearing agent, adwumenti ya clear wo mu nyina no and then national security afano. Oko kretio mini and pay me who latest video bi. Na ye work no Ofori-Atta ma ye di tuo gina o so. I have the video here. I'll show you. But send you.
First send me Sisia.
I was so shocked.
First enemy.
Say, hey, Nadiani. And I'm say, Metro for ye. Metro for the program. Omo ye. Na, dear never saw Ghana. A dear never costly. A dear time or dear Yaudie. And I bet say you know this phone more. And ne,
Paul, the program was Metro for you.
Omodi say good.
No, no, they say MPP in
Omodi say good.
Contract for the ever so. Or for no. Who decorate Ghana near Trial Casano. Yeah, but I
don't know some dear. Yeah, catch you. You call
a trouble near the who told me.
Oh, so you're from
Trobia Jadi. Hey, what's your idea? Called Utriakojina, Ofori-Atta Nkolaso. Ofori-Atta Nkolaben or Ghana. You did 2 quarters. So, Daddy, I know. Ghana for hey.
Can Ofori-Atta my mind in Ghana.
You want to quite changing on so.
Oh, you.
I don't know what you say. Or really, Johnny say. Move.
Me videos. Me video best send no. I go see. Odi achira mami fan send no. Na God of food na hwe bi. I go see mami fan send no na God of food na hwe bi. Na yera OSP say pen intelligence no. This was a stage. You know, another make us any movie. Get Ofori-Atta bene 1 and 2 starring Jakpa as a lead actor.
Jakpa killer near Jakpa Jakpa Blowman Ofori-Atta 1 and 2 when you are gonna skip a year no we Johnny 1 and 2
you cannot say that
you cannot say what allegedly
okay
allegedly we think Afenyo-Markin okay allegedly when we are gonna scam here say a year no 1 and 2 allegedly one printing here be year no we Johnny 1 and 2 allegedly can also
get Ofori-Atta many who 1 and 2. Starring
as
a lead actor.
It doesn't, you see, my principles are clear.
Okay.
It doesn't matter whether you are NDC or MPP. You must be accountable to your own stewardship.
Okay.
Yeah, the Ejuma Mount, that's a way. You must be accountable to your own stewardship. And it may fact when you so to NDC for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Emma Womejume. Yeah, appointed woman may warn you womo. But you see, I have total belief and trust in them. So all the ministers say, I have for me, Dr. To force more needed. I have so much trust in them. Papa.
Hey!
And I know they would be truthful and honest to Ghana and the Ghanaian people. However, now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba Cape Coast no. Asem wo kan ye ne se. Aba ye di boteshi no. Enu an ye di bebo ban.
Ye di bebo baba ni suma pai.
Allah. Enti no wa yama we djuma. Na oni made ba kwa ya na ye menwanwa. Ye ba obi din so ya minister. Ubehwe na himfofuo ebusuafo ni constituency fo nya di ekire ebehwe vetting no. Eho na obestart aboka. Eho na no astart na omba nya ka no omde baba. Omanya dua no ombedie. Ebi wakron baba ni vetu anadwo a omeda made achembo a. Eho no na ostart so aka. Enti monhwe yie na yede aye obi no obi ameyawo. That is the first advice I'm giving my NDC for afetie. Can Ofori-Atta. You see, ye hu mu bra na mo ye campaign. Na mo ti kwa. Your friend will let my vote count for. Na mo ni na mo amoye campaign. Na mo kan sama kese kire Ghana for. Sa bre no na dollar no aye 3.9 Ghana cedi. Na wo koto dollar into $100,000. So okay, 3.9 billion old CD and now 390,000. No when you $100,000. Me a businessman, I know what I'm talking about. We've handled dollars, you know what I'm saying?
30.
And in tenor, no. Would you know and the muja was the master? And I wouldn't know economic messiah near ye or ban no far Bible. There be no asha went in answer me, I cry, I am ferry. Wash a white tablet in a hall. The Lord will provide my needs according to his riches or Cassatia. Nitremo de. What time dollar enough for 3.9 and no more the cost 17.1. I'm a wow with the Krawuka 1 year casa. Ofori-Atta kufa no mpamano woka ho me hu na aginem anyinem wo ginem na akase mpamano
dabi ukasa mjide mu
a me kufa no ba ya no yi o ma ya ni se ni ma me nua ba no mo pamano a wonko didan
president kufa na kan
ai bia no waka na wonyina ho nti wontumi ni mechim mo no amekasa wanka
oka kire wo
me ka kire
dabe
na dad na opese mbodi ase wo muso kan
dabe
wo kan bra na ase yampam ayi Ofori-Atta
okohobi
man ko ho ofra me ka kiram an wo ja branta no to ho
president kufa no fra ka kiram
ha me ka kiram ai o ka kiram
ofra ka kiram
on na no wa from fo so na
wodi
an o ka kiram o me mani abre
wodi o
tie me wo Ofori-Atta charges ya de abo wi nyina akra no se nu mpo anya charges ya de bo wa se de wa ye dollar ni cedi aye no nka wo wa no yi asese wi number 2 wa sika wo ma printing sika no me si safri Ghana de akọ
vondi
ena me no ka se cathedral yi nyansa yanto yesua sebi mpreduasa mano da somana so hwe uko a free central university ho ko no a asase go ho yantam Ghana ekrom ha atoku asasenki ye bue economy no mu anka cathedral ya wa wusi wa hanya meboyi kona ko manka se yapon kona ko si wo ho wa baba bobu passport office judge for den nyina wo wie nso a we twa sika over $50 million hwin free mu my 500 million na 50 million $58 million hwin free mu amba wo wie a wo de ne kokwasa sam yare we dwane wan na nti wo de ne ho akadwa wo dwane asi hebra wo beyi ne ho ano na tie dia woni yeyi enya Ofori-Atta nko na be fa ne nso wo bibiara we wie a wansi he jo mama na ni abre o Obi biara obefa bensika 1 cedi wo be fe.
But I say
Ani ti mu nso amuwa be mu sesi ano.
Parliament Malaysia. What you for ati mokwa. Happy birthday and confirm mic off. Happy birthday to Matilda Owusu of Bibiani Old Compound. But I say, me did the acquisition, I mean, Mamande or mine, a Kwabra Sante.